Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm gonna embroider this cute tiny butterfly. Let us see how. Starting for her feathers, I'm gonna make the fly stitch. Just make a loop, bring your needle out from inside and just tie it here. Keep on doing this until the entire area is covered with your threads. And make sure when you are making a loop, your loop is tight enough to look good. You can see how little by little, but this is getting into a shape and looking nice. And once done till the end, just make few say straight stitches or say satin stitches to complete that area like this. Again, I'm gonna repeat that same thing for the below feather part, and just complete it in a similar way. So here I am, you can see. It's looking great, and now let's make some ornamental decoration for the feathers with another color. Just making few cross stitches like this to make a circular part, small circles. Isn't this looking great, guys? And if yes, make sure you like this video and comment below whatever you like about this butterfly. For the bigger circle, I'm gonna make the buttonhole pinwheel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any video update. So now it's time to make his tentacles, and for that I'm gonna make the stem stitch as this. And filling his body with the satin stitch. Now let's fill up his face and then the final tentacle parts. And with this, I'm ready with my butterfly to fly along with me, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any such interesting videos.